know we back out here. I'm sorry that I put a Corey Kenshin on y'all. We got scat packs. We got Hellcats. We got the Z01. Heck yeah. My boy got subs in that thing. Ooh, look at that SVT. Clean C5. We got the Cobra. Heck yeah, bro. Look at them rims on them. Bro, we even got the Supras. Go follow this dude on Instagram. Heck yeah. Oh, I know that guy. That dude has like a, I don't know if it's a LS swap, but that thing has like a loud V8. This boy is clean right here though. Heck yeah. Ooh, there's a GT350 and I just heard him start up. Come on, send it. I think this is the Holden, the SS. I think it's the Holden. I might be wrong. The GT350. Looking nice. The 5.0 Fox body. Alright, so the reason why I took a 6-month break. Number one, I live in Indiana, so it was just snowing. Then plus that was like the end of the meets and stuff. So now is the season opener. So this is the first meet and we're back. I don't know if you remember, but this is like the original spot that we always used to go to. Oh my gosh, I almost broke my leg. Yes, sir. Look at them rims. Bruh. Bro, why he street pipe his mom's car? What? Dang. I just noticed that Supra got drag tires on him. Dang, them boys thick. This is clean. It's got that like BBS type rims on them. Dang, that is clean. What the heck? Oh, that's clean. Oh, that's really clean. We got a lifted 6.0. Look at this thing, dog. Lord have mercy. This boy is huge. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, bro. Full send on the GTR. Look at this Duramax. Ooh. Yeah. Dang them turbos. They got Fast and Furious, bro. They got Paul Walker. What the heck? They got bass and they got Paul Walker. That's freaking cool, dude. He brought the Daytona out. Send it. There you go. Listen to them chops, bruh. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Dang. Yes, sir. What the heck? Whoa, that GTR, and I didn't even see it. Heck yeah, bro. love the sound of that, dude. Oh my gosh. Let me get that 5-cylinder. Woo. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you, bro. Thank you. That thing is lit. What is that? Oh! Bro just did a burnout. Oh, oh. Dang. You got the lowest. Oh snap. Dang. On. Oh my. Dang. Yeah. He's swinging that. All right, thank y'all for watching, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all leave a like. This video was insane. You know, now that it's a new season for these car meets, we should be expecting some more videos, bro. This is lit. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Bye.